In this video, we will configure the WooCommerce Cart Page WhatsApp button in the Chat Help plugin. This feature allows customers to quickly contact your store through WhatsApp directly from the cart page before completing their purchase. We will go through every available option and also preview the result on the front end so you can clearly see how each setting affects the WhatsApp button. Let's begin. First, open the WooCommerce tab inside the Chat Help plugin and select Cart Page. By default, the option WhatsApp button on cart page is disabled. When this option is disabled, no additional settings appear, and the WhatsApp button will not be displayed on the cart page. Now let's enable WhatsApp button on cart page. Once enabled, several configuration options will appear that allow you to control how the WhatsApp button works and how it looks. The first option is WhatsApp type. Here, you can choose between number or group. If you select number, customers will start a direct WhatsApp conversation with your store. If you select group, users will be redirected to join your WhatsApp group. When number is selected, enter your WhatsApp number in the field below. This is the number that will receive messages from customers. You can also use the test link below the field to confirm that the WhatsApp number is working correctly. Next, we have button position. This option controls where the WhatsApp button will appear on the cart page. For example, selecting Before Checkout button will display the WhatsApp button just above the Checkout button. Now let's configure the pre-filled message. This message will automatically appear inside WhatsApp when a customer clicks the button. You can include the cart information variable, which automatically inserts the list of items currently in the cart. This makes it easier for store owners to see exactly what the customer wants to order. Below that, there is an option called Include with Cart Info. Here, you can choose to include additional information such as the product URL or the tax amount in the message sent through WhatsApp. Next, we have the option Hide Proceed to Checkout button. When this option is enabled, the normal checkout button will be hidden and customers will be encouraged to complete their order through WhatsApp instead. Now let's configure the WooCommerce button style. This option allows you to choose how the WhatsApp button appears. For example, you can display an icon-only button or a simple button with label. Next is Button Main Label. Here, you can customize the button text. For example, the label Complete Order via WhatsApp clearly tells customers that they can complete their order through WhatsApp. Now let's look at the icon settings. You can choose the icon displayed on the button and adjust the icon's size and color so it matches your website design. Below that, there are several button styling options. These help you customize the appearance of the button, including icon background color, button background color, button label color, button border, padding, and margin. These options help you match the WhatsApp button with your store's branding. Finally, there is button visibility. This allows you to control where the button will appear. For example, you can show the button everywhere or limit it to desktop, tablet, or mobile devices. Now, let's quickly switch the WhatsApp type to group. When group is selected, instead of entering a phone number, you will provide a WhatsApp group link. Customers who click the button will then be redirected to join your WhatsApp group. Now save the settings. Next, let's open the WooCommerce cart page on the front end. You can now see the WhatsApp button displayed near the checkout area. When a customer clicks this button, WhatsApp opens with the pre-filled message containing the cart information, making it easy to confirm the order through WhatsApp. And that's how you configure the WooCommerce Cart Page WhatsApp button using the Chat Help plugin.